Which area? I'm not going to tell you that, George. Sorry, hun. You don't need to know. Tell me that you work, that I want to hear. I do British, Scottish, Russian, Indian, ghetto Mexican. Wow. Hey, thank you, Perry. Let's go. Am I going to click it or not? No. Yay! Thank you. Perry, we need another win on the fountains. That was you, wasn't it, Perry? You went on the fountains on me. The southwest side of eastern north central side. Eastern north side of central area. Tell me which words that I wanna hear. That I wanna hear. Right, what time is it? 11. Ooh, I've got a roller stuck on me. Thank you, Big Slick. Put the roller in. No, I don't need it. Great start to the day, or what? Yes, just been getting ready for the day. It was literally nearly afternoon now. Then I wanna hear. I'm just thinking time-wise what to do.
A vision that hurts and the scandal's clean. Suspicion fought with thirst, but the thirst was winning. I'll regret this in the morning.
It's near bedtime here.
That's future me. I'm glad I'm not that guy.
Bedtime? Is it not like 5 a.m. for you?
There's powers in your flowers. You're a damsel in distress.
Take me as I am.
Hey.
Watch me as I go. Take me as I am. Watch me as I go. 5 a.m. Have you not slept at all? To show you their DMs. I need to go to the shops. I need to clean my car. Not too much today. Back up there tomorrow. I have slept but could use a nap. A little nap. What time do you have to be up? Yeah, I booked today off ages ago. But it's a nice day actually. To clean my car out. What do I drive? Nothing special. Take me as I am. Watch me as I go. Take me as I am. A little nap never hurt nobody. Love a little nap. A minivan. Minivan. Come over, let me feed you. P&P Tomato. Interesting name. Member of the stress. Take me as I am. Guys, it doesn't matter what car I have, honestly. It's nothing special. Hi, King Apex.